Hello everyone. Today I am here with new question from coding decoding topic. This question comes under the topic letter coding. Fine. Now here in this question the statement is if truth is coded as this word, then the code for false will be from any from these four options. Fine. Now we will try to find out the pattern which is related with truth, which is the pattern which is used to convert truth into this word. Then we will use the same pattern for converting the false into any one option from these four. Fine. Now we will try to find out the pattern. We will start our search with the understanding that in truth we have five words. Fine. But the word which is related to truth, the coded word which is related to truth has length 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That means the total count of letter in truth are 5 and the total count of letter are double in case of its encoding. Fine. Then the code for false will be, again we will try to count the options 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Fine. The second option is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Third option is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this one will be the answer. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now in first look we can easily assume that A and B are not the options. Fine. So now we will continue our search with remaining two options C and D. Okay. Now the answer is related to, the given option is related to the word truth. Now I will write its related code under it. This two letters are related with the T. This is my assumption. I am just trying to find out the pattern. So I am starting my assumption with as the count of truth, the total count of letter in truth are 5 and its related encoding have 10 letters. So I am assuming that T is converted into SU, R is converted into QS and U is converted into TV, T is converted into SU and H is converted into GI. This is my assumption. Now whether my assumption is correct or not, now I will try to find out my answer. If I am trying to relate T with SU, then the option is STU. That means T, S next letter is T and T's next letter is U. That means S plus 1 is T and T plus 1 is U. I'll see next option. QRS. That means option is correct. TUV. Correct. STU. Correct. GHI. Now I think I have found the pattern which is working behind that. How truth is converted into ACU, QS, TV, SU, GI. That means one letter which come before S and another letter which comes after T. Fine. The letter come before T is S and the letter come after T is U. Fine. Now definitely false has total count of letter. The length of false is 5. So definitely the answer will be either from C or from D, because these are the two letters, those are containing 10 letters in it. So I will write first option C. E G Z B K M R T, D, F. This is the first option. I am not considering A and B option because the length of A and B option have the length 9, which is not in our consideration. I will take first option C. If it's not matching with our with this pattern, then I will move to D option. Fine. Now I'll try to E plus 1. What is the answer? Yes, F. F plus 1. It's G. Correct. Z is the last letter of English. The first letter of English is A. That means it's correct. A plus 1, it's B. K plus 1, KL. L plus 1, it's M. R plus 1, S. S plus 1, it's T. That means it's correct. E plus 1, D plus 1, it's E, and E plus 1, it's F. That means the correct answer is C. If you have some time, you can cross verify your answer by taking another option D also, but F, G, it's not correct. Fine. So the correct answer is C. I hope you understand this logic. So we will meet in next video with some other question. Thank you for watching this video. So nice of you.